The overall aim of this procedure is to demonstrate a technique for modulating cognition using transcranial direct current stimulation of the cerebellum. This is accomplished by first measuring performance during cognitive tasks of varying difficulty that each require the function of the cerebellum. The second step is to apply anodal, cathodal, or sham transcranial direct current stimulation over the cerebellum for 20 minutes in 3 separate groups of participants, or in the same group separated by 1 week. Next, measure performance again on all tasks after the application of cerebellar transcranial direct current stimulation. The final step is to process and analyze the data from each task and compare performance pre- and post-cerebellar tDCS. Ultimately, cathodal transcranial direct current stimulation over the cerebellum is used to show how cognitive functions can be facilitated when tasks are difficult rather than easy.
The implications of this technique extend towards therapy or diagnosis of cognitive and motor impairments because it has the potential to excite or depress neural activity, heightening or dampening certain behaviours. Helping to demonstrate the procedure will be Bryony, a research associate from the laboratory.
After welcoming the participant, ask them to read the information sheet and complete the tDCS safety questionnaire. If there are no contraindications to performing